I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a healthy burrito wrap. To start, focus on the foundation, your tortilla. Opt for whole wheat varieties to boost fiber intake and choose lean proteins like grilled chicken or black beans. Remember, a healthy burrito begins with smart choices for every component, ensuring a balanced and satisfying meal. We'll cover each step to build your perfect wrap. Now let's talk about those delicious fillings. For protein, grilled chicken or seasoned black beans are excellent choices. Don't forget to pack in plenty of fresh vegetables like colorful bell peppers, onions, and a generous handful of spinach or mixed greens. These ingredients add essential nutrients and a wonderful texture to your burrito, making it both filling and flavorful. When it comes to toppings and sauces, making smart swaps can significantly improve your burrito's health profile. Instead of traditional sour cream, try a dollop of plain Greek yogurt. Use a small amount of fresh avocado or homemade guacamole for healthy fats. A fresh, homemade salsa is always a great option, and remember to limit cheese to just a light sprinkle. Finally, let's assemble your masterpiece. Gently warm your tortilla to make it more pliable and less likely to tear. Distribute your chosen healthy fillings evenly across the center, leaving some space around the edges. Fold in the sides, then roll tightly from the bottom up to create a secure wrap. Now, your nutritious and delicious homemade burrito is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.